Good morning, sir. This is Krishna Ravli of ID 19NBAB053. My group members are Pallavi and Sai Kiran of ID 96 and 125. Today I am going to explain about MIS system and its importance in coffee industry. Introduction. Coffee production in India is dominated in the hill tracts of South Indian states with Karnataka accounting of 71%, followed by Kerala with 21% and Tamil Nadu with 5% of overall productions with 8,200 tons. Indian coffee is said to be the finest coffee grown in the shade than direct sunlight anywhere in the world. There are about 250,000 coffee growers in country, in which 98% of them are small growers. Coffee is grown in three regions of India with Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu forming the traditional coffee growing region. Indian coffee grown mostly in southern states under monsoon rainfall condition is also termed as Indian monsoon coffee. Its flavor is defined as the best Indian coffee reaches the flavor characteristics of Pacific coffees. Let's get into details by taking example of Cafe Coffee Day, also known as CCD. Here we are taking Cafe Coffee Day as an example of coffee industry. Cafe Coffee Day is an Indian cafe chain. It is a subsidiary of Coffee Day Enterprises Limited. Coffee Day serves 1.6 billion cups of coffee annually in 6 countries. Internationally, CCDs are present in Australia, Czech Republic, Malaysia, Nepal and Egypt. History of Cafe Coffee Day. Cafe Coffee Day is a division of India's largest coffee conglomerate, Amalgamated Bean Coffee Trading Company Limited, popularly known as Coffee Day, a 750 crore certified company. Coffee Day sources coffee from 12,000 acres of coffee estates, the second largest in Asia. It is one of the India's leading coffee exporters with its roots in golden soil of Chikmagalur. Line of command in CCD. First comes chairman director, followed by head operations regional manager, followed by city manager, area and church cafe manager, followed by operations trainee manager. Departments in Cafe Coffee Day. There are 11 departments in Coffee Day, making sure the proper functioning of coffee house. First comes business development team. The team decides upon a suitable site where the cafe can be set up. After all the formalities are completed, the site is handed over to the projects team. Project. The team comprises of some of the best designers by the designing beautiful outfits. All new cafes are built with standardized design and look of the cafe sink in the brand positioning. Operations. This team achieves their sales objectives and is responsible for the daily running of the cafes in a profitable manner. Customer interaction is very important for this team. The further slides will be explained by ID 96.